Have you ever heard of a ramen burger? It's a mouth-watering marvel that mingles the East and West, combining the comfort of a classic burger with the savory satisfaction of ramen noodles. Conceived in the melting pot of culture that is New York City, this culinary creation is a testament to the power of food fusion, blending disparate traditions into an unexpected yet delightful dish. So, curious to know how to make this culinary delight at home? Stay tuned! First off, gather all the ingredients. To create the perfect ramen burger, you'll need a select list of items. Start with 2 packets of ramen noodles. These are the secret to our unique buns. Next, you'll need 2 large eggs to bind our noodles together. For the juicy heart of your burger, you'll need a ½ pound of fresh ground beef. To bring out that savory umami flavor, have on hand a pair of scallions finely chopped, along with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and a tablespoon of sesame oil. And let's not forget the toppings. Here's where you can get creative. You might opt for traditional favorites like lettuce, tomato, and cheese, or consider going for an Asian twist with pickled ginger, wasabi mayo, or even kimchi. Remember, the fresher the ingredients, the better the taste. Quality really makes a difference here. With all these ingredients at hand, you're ready to start cooking. Now, it's time to create our unique ramen buns. Start by cooking your ramen noodles according to the package instructions. Drain them well to ensure they don't get soggy. Once they're cooled a bit, crack an egg into the noodles. This acts as a binder, helping the noodles stick together. Give everything a good mix, making sure the egg is evenly distributed. Next, divide the noodle mixture into bun-sized portions. You can use a round mold or a ramekin for this. Press the noodles firmly into the mold to compact them. This is crucial for maintaining that bun shape we're after. Now here comes the patience part. Pop these molds into the fridge for a good few hours. This cooling process is essential as it helps the buns to firm up and hold their shape. Once they're firm, your ramen buns are ready to be cooked. With this, we're one step closer to our scrumptious ramen burger. While the ramen buns chill, let's get on with the burger patties. Start off by seasoning your ground beef. A sprinkle of salt and pepper should do the trick, but feel free to add your favorite spices to taste. Now, the artistry begins. Gently shape your seasoned beef into patties, about the same size as your ramen buns. Remember, the key to a juicy burger is to avoid overworking the meat. Just lightly press it together until it forms a patty. Now it's time to cook. Heat your pan over medium heat, then add the patties. For a medium rare patty, cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. If you prefer it well done, give it a couple of extra minutes. The goal here is to achieve that perfect balance of a crispy exterior and a juicy, flavorful interior. Place your cooked patties on a plate and let's get those ramen buns ready. Now for the fun part, assembling your ramen burger. The moment we've been waiting for has finally arrived. By now, your kitchen is filled with the irresistible aroma of ramen and grilled patties. But we're not done yet. Let's kick things up a notch and bring our creation to life. First off, let's get our ramen buns ready for their starring role. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. We're going to cook these buns until they're golden and crispy. The goal here is to get that perfect balance between chewy and crunchy that makes the ramen burger so unique. Now, with our buns toasted to perfection, it's time to build our burger. Start by placing one of the ramen buns on a plate. This will serve as the sturdy base for our towering creation. Next, take your beautifully cooked patty and place it right in the center of the bun. The juicy meat against the crispy ramen is a match made in heaven. But wait, we're not done yet. Now comes the fun part. Adding your desired toppings. Whether you're a fan of traditional lettuce and tomato, or you're going for something a little more unconventional, this is your chance to customize your ramen burger to your heart's content. Finally, top it all off with the second ramen bun, and voila, you've just crafted yourself a ramen burger. And there you have it, your very own homemade ramen burger. Isn't that a culinary adventure worth trying?